today we're going to be showing you a very short video on how to create that warmth that everyone loves of the real fire, whether it be outdoors or indoors in their interior space. So today we're going to be unboxing our gel fuel cans. Now these are actually made by Terra, and Terra claims that they're a clean burning fire gel. It is odorless, okay? It also has a 7-inch flame. It is clean burning, and it does not require any outside venting. So guys, let's open this box here and see what we got. Now, our manufacturers did a very well job of providing some detailed instructions on how to actually use our gel fuel cans. And it is very important that you stick to the information on the warning labels, also on the instruction booklet here, to make sure that your installation and whatever you decide to make with these gel fuel cans to be as safe as possible, guys. And here we go. These are our cans. Very simple. No tags, which I love. A lot of these fuel cans actually that you buy online will come with a sticker. And heat, fire, paper, whether it be, whatever the case may be, I don't think it's a good mix. So Terra actually did a great job of providing this product with a stickerless can, ready to use right out of the box. There is one sticker here. It's basically, again, warning labels and instructions. But once you take the tap off and you actually light these babies up, you're not going to be using this part of the can anyway. So instead of putting it on the outside of the can, they place it at the top on the cover where you're going to be disposing of anyway. So to us, that was a great plus. So as you can see here, as they promised, they sent 12 cans, nicely packed. We're not going to be using all of them, obviously. So with no further delays, let's go ahead and create our project. See us here again in just a few